All right, so you should still have your command line window open. What we're going to do is install pip now, and we're going to install the version for Python 3. So click in your command window, sudo apt-get install python-pip3. Oh, sorry, Python 3-pip. Easy mistake there. It's going to install a bunch of dependencies. So click yes and just let that run. So pip it's kind of like apt-get or yum, but specifically for Python packages. Sometimes it can be a hassle to find new Python packages and install them into the proper location so that you can easily import them and use them in your projects. So pip is just going to simplify that quite a bit, save you a lot of time. Always suggest installing pip whenever you're working on a system. I'm not 100% sure if pip works very well on Windows because I typically use Linux, but that's okay. But now we do have pip 3 installed. So I'm just going to type clear here. Go ahead and do that on your system as well. And right here, type in pip 3. Probably just take a minute there, and then it's going to give you the syntax for this. Let's scroll up a little bit. So pip, similar format. You're going to type pip, you're going to give a command, and then you give the name of the package that you want to install. So in this case, let's do this. Let's do pip install. Let's go with requests. That's a great Python toolkit. Makes it so you can make requests out to websites or to APIs, and it's going to install that. All right, so we got requests. Let's do some other packages. Pip install pexpect. That's what we're going to do a lot of these automation tools with. Super simple to install. A couple other good ones that you may want. Pip install, this is a weird name. Beautiful soup 4. Beautiful soup is something that you can use to really parse through website data. Kind of like a scraper type program, which depending on systems you're connecting to, you may have to sometimes do something with Beautiful Soup, and then you have to do something with pexpect. It can be very interesting when you're trying to integrate with systems that lack a well-functioned and well-defined API that's REST or SOAP based, SOAP, not soup.